know Kofi ancestor now. Baby, I'm paying for a show. What's the motivation? Because Uncle Boy new league table name. But no there over the years in the BBO you support hands for what's the motivation?
In Madam Kofi no pave way, the man Kofi no pave way, 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 man no. Atasa it's Bibianya one what the chassis, it's there. Bibianya 18 bound and one. It's men na airport to Abuchi baby fide. We be a lane him. I can a gun and posse. But Taylor, till the senior man was say, oh, Abuchi no attack.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
As I was here for Park Rich today, one brother Buaha, you been come kakra. A big surprise. We will put you at the motherland, short pond. Brother Tenen. How I do poo. All right, I was here for your short pond. This is Kofi Kinaata. Kinaata, Otanan.
Are you cool? Yeah. Are you cool?
Short pond on your first time, Abahani.
Baby.
Last year. What festival we had? The Botella, the first concert to be our year. Bejina Mibi. Early this year, the Botella new hobby.
Well, I'm a man, some plan.
My bam. Na, yeah, call 1 week in our sin. A Botella and a classmate for Nankasa Farco
when you hope. Out of courage area.
New juniors are when they check a cat today, Uncle Jedu. Ambuli Bay, Pa Thomas Bay, Mr. Simon Bay. You now, Abba. You know Kofi ancestor now. Baby, I'm paying for a show. What's the motivation? Because Uncle Boy new league table name. But no there over the years in the BBO you support hands for what's the motivation?
In Madam Kofi no pave way, the man Kofi no pave way, man Kofi no pave way, man Kofi no pave way. Man Kofi pave way man no atasa it's Bibianya one what the chassis it's there Bibianya 18 bound and one it's men na airport to Abuchi baby fide we be a lane him I can a gun and posse. But Taylor till the senior man was say oh Abuchi no atasa we be them no in below more day about na you see ye dey am bachelor ye be chief afo na de number na de so ho me yankofo me sizes woman atasa
I mean, maintaining the legacy, how our career, high life, what's it called over the world. Me there, we're nominated to High Life Song of the Year this year. I feel say Eja.
We're nominated I
feel say Eja.
We're nominated
High Life.
It
is finished.
It is finished.
Yes, AJ. And our songwriter said, "This is you
Often Kitam."
Yeah, John for this. I hear time.
Sister.
You be by I hear na ye dey so bubu.
Oh, I can come out you be in trouble. Why say I
Yeah. All right. It's a way carded. I mean, Uncle Bo, it's a high life. What are we doing to protect the high life legacy in Ghana?
Feel your collective work. The management, people calling to me. High life no why am pay for why disappointed there here no na him for na abedi na yellow boy na high life no it's first high life na our style ote na squad bi so bay what na style for bay na squad bi so bay what into no wa kind dynamic batch bi ana dey what one high life na say into me problem pay for there oyo yende no one gin tum feel disappointed then abedi na wolu boy man we team ka kada one lab de Kofi intim mbosi ke man mo ndi bi no so atasa but other one there enyama la sasa nyama basasa intim mbo wonder na wala ball wonder no it was good for one generation yes generation or nyama opada what it so you be feel seen in nyama but high life in the roots no entire wo ndi na one support.
So I mean in brief Kofi is trying to tell us that high life is near the age and age so you jinam yeah in your view your uncle Pa Thomas na or we need to still protect the high life legacy. Kofi, Now back to this question I beg Santana Bissell some time ago. That in your rap seven and what do. Yeah, there rap bro for be.
That is a JSS for young for an idea.
But then obviously question be about why you are so original and keen on the fancy language for your music. Motivation in your base.
Every Kofi P or feel it there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but I didn't know okay chill.
Yeah.
It's no, yeah, my young camera of fun today. Oh, my Obian the motive or the bayanium.
Yeah.
Atasa, and put them rich outside, put them international, Obian and the Sala or the bay. I'm Canada.
I don't feel the Kakasafo Friday international, but still.
Yeah, also Obiana in the style of the Buha, who feed the opera international beat, you know. Na no way the port about channel for Kofi one way now or the Romo international. Economically, business wise, you know, all nice. I'm also feel there. In Jom, it's a lot of baby who feel about. So I'm at some way, it's Jamaica for the world to one in you. It's a Mapuka and you may advocates for the world quick. Feel that in Jom, I don't carry originality be, identity be, or carry story be, ultimate carry a whole either neighborhood movement be, tribe be, nation be, or there in your team at and you may look at the middle free downtown. I'm a representative or no.
Yeah.
There, okay, my Panama and Dignos Ghanaian baby, Daman Panamano, and careful so, get him so. Oh, yeah, one day I don't want so Obiana no way, or don't want so. Yeah, what's a Cassidy, what's a style be, what for being identity for full of being a kind of look woman, you may be now what with the ballroom. Now, oh, yeah, Obiana and the motiva or the Baham feel there. Way, no feel or day, or carry originality be, or baby Olympic be, you know, level at us, yeah.
And there is something, when you are Kobo show be Kumasi, Papalogy last year, Kumasi, and the acceptance of, even though they share a bit to the doctor like Eka Fantina, the way on assembly be on too, but like I said, it's small, but for generally, Kumasi and Ankasan, Equa, most of them, in yet, all lyrics in Anna what I said, but how they embrace your music on stage, Rapaholic, in whom and then Papalogy Sune Kumasi. What are you doing different to reach to these other Ghanaian languages here? I wanna work and we're friendly then in Kinaata. Still, they are embracing your fancy music. What's the secret?
I'm gonna feel that in Jom carry Bibia or beyond language.
Yeah.
Them gonna feel that in Jom. Now Jom sort of Kofi the one Kofi rally behind no. Now Kofi be a meaning no. Now Kofi Siakas and Pedrecano. Nti ono ho but once for to fanta mama ho na fanta no so I dey twiala atasa nti ho I won one task what task power to moko tamale moko perform tamale last year nkofu gu ho ndwom no woji mo to papel
but I have my last question na happen AI music Esha say it came from what na to 1 minute why you mean is this something as musicians we should adapt into our craft and they still you stay with your original style of creating music?
Technology the intimate fight technology. Technology no one fight no I do the embrace they use it to what advantage atasa him they can tell what the ones are what really what the machines so really can tell but we beat him back also opemo what say no hand pick ones no handmade ones no we are didn't send what the machine again no because on what acknowledge the pokuna effort no all the year no time o come na dey acknowledge kan until no technology dey or dey embrace yentima yen dey and dey intim ho so we create category bi man wo
creative some music awards for AI music
until no you be embrace ala just the oil na so many pie so ho
and 10/10 will be here. 10/10 will be here. Visualize a bit more a range of it.
Yeah.
Or AI.
Yeah.
So I think when you saw it, you loved it.
So
we can't fight. Charlie. Yeah, that's baby. 10/10.
Awesome.
Or you knew one. Yeah.
And for full.
One stream 10/10. I see.
I don't want peace. I want problem.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?